Assalamualaikum and hi semua. Okey, kita sambung. Kita punya chapter 6 on the part A. On the part 3 is a intersection design principle and control. Will be discussed on the definition of the intersections, traffic conflict intersection, and the type of the intersection design. Okay, let's restart. Okay, what is the intersection? Intersection is a road junction. We have a two or more road either meet or cross at the grade. They are the same level. Okay, function of the intersection are disperse traffic, reduce accident, change direction of traffic, give right of way, and the control of speed. Okay. Vehicle maneuver at intersection will be divided into three. First is a diversion. Second is a merging. Third is a crossing. So in the diversion, we'll have a four types. Is a right, left, mutual, multiple. Also on for the merging and the crossings. So for the mergings, also have the right, left, mutual and multiples, but the crossing have the right, left, oblique and oppose. Is a picture show the direction of diverging, merging and crossing. Okay, traffic conflicts at intersection occur when the merging, diverging and crossing maneuver occur. This is a potential conflict between two or more road users. There are four type conflicts will be defined. One is the diverging, second is the merging, third is a crossing, last one is a moving. Diverging when in the same road, randomly we want to turn left or turn right. Okay, merging when another one is join and in the road, so has a merging. Crossing when they cross the road. Waving when they are weaving the two area. Okay. The number of potential conflict points at the intersection depends on the number of approach to the intersection, number of length of each approach, type of signal control, extent of channelizations, and movement permits. This is the potential conflict at the intersections. So we go to some of kind of example to count the number of conflict at a T junction. We had a T junction. So next, then we have one road is go through, another one is turn right. So have the one diverging because we are straight away and then the diverge. Also this one also the straight away and the diverge. This one the turn and the turn left and the turn right. So it's a diverge. So have 1, 2, have a 3. For the another conflict is a merging. We merge the road. The merge the road. This one have a 2, 1. So 1. The merge 2. Another one in merge here 3. Change another color. Okay, wing cross. So this one the cross. Ada 2 the cross. 1 here cross here 2. And this one is the last is 3. Have 3, 3, 3. So total is a 9 of the conflict numbers of the T junction. Okay, type of intersection will be divided by 2. One is the at-grade intersection. Another one is the grade separated intersection or interchange. Okay, at the intersection, where the intersection at the grid intersection where intersection road meet and the same level. If they're the same level, we call at the scale intersection. When are different elevation, we call is the interchanges or grade separated section. So both of the intersection we can refer further on the arahan teknik jalan. So for the at grade intersection, arahan teknik jalan 1187, while the arahan while the intersections for arahan teknik jalan 12. Okay, so have a two different kind of the arahan teknik jalan. Both the arahan teknik jalan can refer in the Google Classroom. I already upload inside of the Google Classroom. Okay, for the at-grade intersection will be divided in the T3. One is the unchannelized and unflay. Second is a flay. The third one is channelized. Okay. While the at-grade separated intersection or intersection will be separate by two types. One is the 3-leg design, another one is the 4-leg design. In the 3 legs and the 4 leg have their own classification. For the 3-leg designs have a simple intersection and the multiple structure. So while the 4-leg design is like a rim in the one quadrant, diamond interchange, partial cloverleaf, full cloverleaf, directional and semi-directional design. The last one is rotary design, or we call as a roundabouts. Right? So we show some of the picture to show you what is the type of the at-grade intersection and at-grade separated intersection. Okay, we go through the at-grade intersection. Unchannelized in unflay normally adequate when minor road meet. In urban area, many local street intersection remain unchannelized for economic reasons. So we not stand as a economic reason. In such cases, traffic is controlled by signal or regulation signs. So ada traffic signal like is a traffic light. Another one is irregulated signs such as stop and give away signing on the minor road like here. So have the stop signs, and another one is a give away line. Give away line, dia punya symbol like this. Alright, seperti kind of the feature here. Next is the flay. A flay intersection is a simple unchannelized intersection with additional through line or exit line such as speed change or right lane. So this is some kind of the example picture. Speed change lane in the right turn lane. Speed change lane allow left or turning vehicle to reduce or increase speed when they leaving or entering the through road without adverse affected to the speed of the through safety. So this one is a curve flay. This one is a flay. So when we are turn left, this flay will reduce the speed for vehicles. So while the right turn left, this is the right turn lane, permit through vehicle to pass on the left side of another vehicle waiting to complete the right turn at the intersection. So the lane can straight away, another just waiting to turn right. Okay, next, the last one at the grace intersection is channelized. A channelized intersection is one where part of a travel for various movement is separated, delineated. Right? So have a various movement. Rise traffic islands. This one, the rise traffic island here. Rise marker and painting mark can be used for channelized. So example is like here, have the island to channelize the road intersection. Okay, and then a road roundabout is a channelized intersection where the traffic move clockwise. When the move is a clockwise, called as a roundabout channelized at the central island. So there are the central islands here. The layout of the intersection should be adequately illuminated by street lighting or defined by pavement reflectors signing, etc. Okay, this is channelized. So, what the factor influence the design? It is at the grade intersection design. At the intersection, present a driver with several points of conflict with another vehicle. The aim of intersection design are to improve the traffic flow and to reduce likelihood of accidents. The principal factor influencing the design of intersection are traffic volume and characteristic, topography and environment, economics and human factor. While the safety is a prime, so it's the main one consideration in any intersection design. So we need to consideration for the safety purpose. Safe intersection design is based on the following principle: reduction of the number of point conflicts, minimizing of the area conflicts, separating of points conflicts, giving preference to major movement, control of speed, provision of refuge area, traffic control device and adequate capacity. And the last one is define of path to be followed. Okay, this is some kind of the picture to show the safety purpose will be considered in the intersection design. Right, reduction of the number and separating of point of conflicts. Like here, from here we change to this one. So we create the islands to separate the conflict to the channelization. Another one, we reduce the number of conflict from the 4 junction here to become a separate, have a T junction and T junction. So we can reduce from the 32 conflict point to 18 conflict points. That's minimizing the area of conflicts. This area we reduce to become here. Giving preference to major movement. So we give the giveaway to control a minor movement. From here change to here. And then we go through the grid separated intersection ataupun kita we call as a interchange for the 3-lane design. A 3-lane design type intersection is one at the intersection with a 3 intersection lane consists of the one or more grade separation and one-way roadway for all traffic movement. When all 3 intersection lanes have a true characteristic or intersection angle with the third intersection lane is a mole, the intersection may be considered is Y type. So example like here lah, example is a Y. Dia macam like a picture like it's Y. Okay, this is the simple interchange. This is multiple interchange. Mean when it become a multiple, it become more than one. Case. This is some kind of the picture for the 4-leg design. It's a ram quadrant. This is a quadrant route. Partial clove. Dia partial just ada macam bentuk bunga. Ni directional interchange. Dia akan bagi directional interchange. Diamonds. Like ada diamond here. This is a diamond one. The full cloth. This one is a partial, is the full one. Dia ada 2 side. Right. This is a roundabout interchange. Yeah. All of you have a different elevation. Okay. Okay, general design consideration for the interchanges. We need to consider interchange type of determination, approach to the structure, interchange spacing, uniformly interchange pattern, road continuity, signing marking, basic number of lane, coordination lane balance or basic number of lane, auxiliary lanes and lane reduction. Each type of consideration we need consider when we design the interchange. All this one can refer in the arahan teknik jalan. Okay, that's why for the part 3. So we continue another class regarding on the part 4, the last topic on this chapter. Okay, thank you all of you.